I've came back to the same place where I was 2 days ago, or 3 now, I can't remember exactly. To show what the beavers has done. The further was one dam, and near those trees somewhere there was the beaver dam, which I removed yesterday, where was a lot of water. So you will see from the flight of the drone what beavers done during the night. They build some dam again. It's quite small, but soon it will be big, I guess. So there is a lot of beavers. You will see from the flight that there was like 5 or 6 beaver dams in 1 kilometer distance. And this one I also was opened, and I will show the other side. There was some, the dam where I cut the bush around. Okay, let's open this one, and afterwards I will go to the other side. You can see all new material. Everything is new. There is a pile of the old dam, but nothing touched. Okay, it was very easy to open. Actually 2 scoops and that's it. Yesterday we got a lot of rain. Today I made about 60 kilometers and I didn't find any dam. I mean, I found some dams, but it was not possible to open because those dams was under the water and the water was flowing over it. So it's already dropped about 20 centimeters. But yeah, water still is coming. It's Saturday. We have +9 degrees Celsius. Sad thing that today I'm not able to open any other dams. Happy at least I opened this one and I showed you how it looks after a few days. I remind you that my goal is to make 100 videos in a row, every day at least one video. So I must open some dam today. Yeah, so also I would like to thank to everybody, everyone who is supporting my channel. It's very important to me. I can make journeys to look for the dams, open the dam. Also in the future I can make better videos maybe. I will buy more cameras and so on. Maybe I will I will take some guy, one more, to work with me until I will get my mini excavator. Thank you very much for it. And yeah, enjoy the flight of the drone. You will see how yesterday's dam looks today. So hope it will be interesting, but not so much changed during the night. It seems that I even didn't open the dam. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys and see you most likely tomorrow. Bye bye.